morning class. Welcome back to your VPS e-learning class, children. As you all know that yesterday I have completed exercise A of your lesson 2, The Clever Little Tailor of your English Literature workbook beta. Today I am going to continue with exercise B. So in which you have to find out the synonyms of the given words. Okay. So you have to find out the synonyms from the given passage which I have explained you yesterday, and write down the synonyms of the given words properly. After that you have to make the sentences from the words and complete it neatly, nicely with the help of pencil only. Don't use pen beta, it makes the book dirty. Okay, again and again I am repeating that if you fill the book, you have to fill with the help of pencil only. Okay, so complete it and let's start with the video. Okay, in class, as we have discussed up to exercise A yesterday, children, today I am going to start discussing exercise B beta. So find synonyms of the following words in the passage. Use them in sentences of your own. Means you have to find the synonyms of the following passage. In this answers are given, means words are given which you have to find the synonyms from this passage beta. Okay. So first word is ruin. Ruin means destroy. So it is given here. See, it is given here. Destroy word is given. It is as similar as ruin. Okay, means it is the synonyms of ruin, destroy. Okay, so his car was completely destroyed in the accident. Because it is given, use them in the sentences of your own. Means which synonyms you have find out, you have to use them in the sentence also beta. Okay, so his car was completely destroyed in the accident. Okay, next is to inform someone. To inform someone means you have to give, if you give pre-information to somebody, it is means like that warn, means you are giving the warning. So Shama warned to Renu to complete her work on time beta. So you can write the sentence like this. Next is reached. Reached means arrived. So she will arrive in New York at noon. So arrived word is given. So it is here in the C. Arrived word is given. So you can write reached means arrived. So she will arrive in New York at noon. Next is furry. Raise. Raise means it is as similar to furry. Because raise means it is showing the expression of anger in the violent condition. So raise is similar to furry. His face was white with furry. Next is break. Break is similar to snapped. Snapped word is given in the book. See, the pegs snapped and the walls leaned over. So snapped is as similar to break. So break, I have written the word snapped. You have to write down the same. Rita's bone got snapped in an accident. So complete it in your book only with the help of pencil. First word is ruin. Ruin means destroy. So the sentence using destroy word, his car was completely destroyed in the accident. Next is to inform someone. If you inform someone or somebody in advance, it is you are giving the warning. Okay. So Shama warned to Renu to complete her work on time. Next is reached. Reached means arrived. She will arrive in New York at noon. Okay. Next is raise. Raise is the express the feeling of anger in violent condition. So raise is as similar as furry. So we use it into the sentence like this. His face was white with furry. Okay. and the last word is break. So it is similar to snapped. Snapped word is again given. You are seeing like this. The pegs snapped. Okay. So Rita's bone got snapped in an accident. So completed this work you have to done in your book only. Okay. You have to do it in your book only of English literature workbook. Use pencil only. Again and again I am saying that please don't use pen because it makes the book untidy beta, and it is, you are unable to rub it if you completed the wrong words or wrong sentences na. So don't use pen, only use pencil. Complete your work in neat and clean handwriting as I have completed, and send it to me into the WhatsApp group for checking before 8:30 beta. Okay. So complete it, and what is your homework for today? To revise it, and if you have any confusion you can ask me in the WhatsApp group personally beta. Okay. Thank you.